Hey, there may be some areas on your truck or Jeep you choose to look the other way on when it comes to quality. But trust us, roof-mounted LED light bars should not be one of them. Z-Road's roof LED mounts and kits are the most robust roof mounting brackets on the market. Constructed from laser scan 3/16" steel, Z-Road's roof brackets and kits feature our patented single through bolt attachment to provide a secure mount with minimal exterior penetration. The patented through bolt fastener provides a convenient method to run wires into your cab without the worry of weather stripping, wind noise, or leaks, common with other subpar wire routing methods. Completely block out the moisture and seal the roof with the laser scanned fit and a heavy-duty 1/4-inch thick solid rubber gasket for a secure and watertight installation. Z-Road's roof LED mounts are available in complete kits with light bar and wiring harness, or as brackets only for mounting common LED light bars. Z-Road's roof brackets and kits are specifically designed and available for most late model trucks and Jeeps. And, like all Z-Road's off-road products, Z-Road's front roof LED mounts are designed and manufactured in the USA.